like my bacon thick. Bacon thick. Not skinny like me. This will do though. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I can barely move my face, so I kind of look stupid, but that's okay. Today, we're gonna be making Tangelo Mango juice. It sounds really yummy, and I can't wait to get started. So stay tuned if you want some good juice in your life. Oh, grrr. The first thing you will need for this juice is 10 tangelos. I feel like a Kardashian right now. The next thing that you'll be doing is you'll be putting 1/8, so I don't have a 1/8 teaspoon thing, so just do 1/2. If you don't either, you could do a half of 1/4 of a teaspoon of Great Value salt. Oh my god, it looks so The last thing that you'll need for this juice is your 4 cups of mangoes. Now, I don't think it's a lot. I love mangoes, and I'm not too sure if the tangelos are sweet, so I just want to make sure that we have a lot of natural sugar in our juice today. I think it's natural. Wait, let me go look at the label. I got the mangoes from, oh, it's also Great Value, as you can see. I'm not Great Value. Okay, calories are 80, sodium 0%, cholesterol 0%, total fat 0.5, and sugar. Where's the sugar? Where's the sugar? 19 grams of sugar. That's enough for me. Okay, so it's 10 minutes for prep time and 5 minutes to, no, I take that back. It takes 1 minute to make, if you have a blender. Which is 2020. I think a majority of you have a blender, so I'm not even gonna go there again. So before you start to unpeel and toss your tangelos into the blender, it's important to note that you need to wash the peel to take off any pesticide residue. Wow, wasn't that very informative? The reason why you do that is because you don't want to potentially die, and with everything going on. Please do that. Please wash your tangelos. Okay guys, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is peel your oranges after you've washed them. So, oh, that's ugly. So you're just going to start peeling. Okay, let's go. Oh. Contamination! Once you've peeled all 10 of your tangelos, just be careful, because if you have little cuts on your hands, it burns! Alright, look at all that juice. She's like a juice and juicy. I don't know the song, but Doja. Okay, let's get started putting it in the blender. Ooh. Spoon. Ooh, look at this juice. Let me zoom. Oh, I can't zoom in on this. Look. Juice for mama. Juice. Beautiful. Okay, so now you're gonna do your 1/8 tablespoon of salt. So not a lot, just a little for funsies. Now next, you're going to put in your 4 cups of mangoes. So let's do it. It looks a little full. That's okay. Put your lid on. Let's get started. Y'all ready for this? Ba, 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 ba. think I de-seeded it. I don't think there was any seeds. I guess we're gonna have to find out. All right, let's see. Okay, let's taste this bad boy, shall we? Open. What the? Stay open. Okay, that's okay. So, you guys like my glass? I like sunflowers. Okay, let's do that. Ooh. 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 First glance, there's definitely seeds in it. Let's see. Oh. Whatever kills you make you stronger. Just chew on them. Now. Oh, that seed. Oh. Now, to taste my creation. Tangelo Mango. Stay thirsty, my friends, okay? That's good. I'm so glad I did 4 cups of mango. Drink of the gods. Like Dora says, delicioso. All right, guys, so thank you for joining my channel, and I hope that you learned a great new drink, Tangelo Mango Orange Juice. Yum, yum. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe if you want to watch more of this Brunch with Burr. See ya.